Hello motivators, Timothy McCain here. Today I want to share with you a very simple video. Now this video is not going to be very long, but I believe that what I'm going to say, what I'm going to share with you can truly bring liberty into your heart, your mind, and your spirit. We're days away walking into 2019, and many people are making many commitments, of losing weight, of pursuing an education, or whatever it may be, investing finances into more workout clothes, or the gym memberships, or treadmills, or investing funds in this and that, or making a commitment. Anyway, people got many different aspirations, desires, and goals. And what I challenge to you is this, is that I challenge you to make sure that whatever was toxic in your 2018, you're not bringing into your 2019. Now understand, this is very much so easier said than done, because sometimes the most toxic people around us, or the environments around us, is those we walk in, we grow up in, and sometimes we work in. And so understand, sometimes it's not as easy said than done, but you know what? Someone you have complete control over is you. Is the man in the mirror. Because I believe there's a difference between life happening to you and you happening to life. Listen, the Bible says it rains the just and the unjust. Hard times come on all of us, each and every one of us. Again, life happens to everybody. But maybe you have experienced some pain in 2018 that has been a byproduct of the toxic, unhealthy choices that you have made, and now you're dealing the consequences. So I'm simply trying to shine some light, and maybe in a dark area in your mind, because maybe you have been pointing the finger, blaming everyone else. If it wasn't for this person, my life would be different. If it wasn't for this, and my 2018 would have been great. If it wasn't for this and wasn't for that. And I'm saying maybe there could be some warrant in people's involvement in your life, and that you are now witnessing a byproduct of their actions. However, there's oftentimes areas in our life that we are suffering the consequences because we chose what to do. So I am challenging you as you walk into this 2019 to evaluate your life, because the same denominator, the consistent EKG, the consistent lifeline that you are bringing into your next year, even when the ball is dropped and the 2019 begins, the same thing, the same person, the same behavior, the same mindset that you're bringing to this new year, regardless of buying a new calendar, buying a new planner, regardless of buying new workout clothes, or doing this and doing that, the same thing that you're bringing with you is you. It's your mindset. It's your behavior. So I am encouraging, my challenge is you with this, and I'm going to do another video, but at least I wanted to start it here because I want you to have some homework. That's why it's very important for you to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you to think about your entire year. All right. I want you to make a list. I want you to write out all your successes. Things that you can think, man, this was successful. Man, I'm so thankful I did this. I went to school. I graduated. I got married. Whatever it may be. Whatever your areas of successes are. And then I want you to write out your areas of regrets. Area of pain. The area where you wish that this will never happen, or this happened. I want you to write it out. All right. Then after you write out the area of successes, and after you write out the areas of things that happened to you, I want you to think about every single one. And I want you to ask yourself, really, truly evaluate your life. Are the areas of successes been a byproduct of my action solely? Meaning that I have been reason why I graduated because I went to college. Boom. Obviously, there's some steps in you. All right. And are these areas of regret? Ask yourself, are these byproducts of my own actions? And what you may find out may very well be alarming, because maybe some of you have not grown into 2018 because you blamed everybody for your actions. But maybe if you will take a moment to evaluate the negativity in your year, maybe you can ask yourself, did I have anything to do with it? Maybe not. Maybe your hand has been clean from it. But could these regrets be from the byproduct of my own behavior, my own actions? Could have been because I pushed someone away. Could have been because I've been this and I've been that. It's important you evaluate who you are right now. It's important you evaluate the seed and the fruit of your life, so to speak, this past year, because so you can effectively give attention to what you're sowing into this upcoming year. So it has to start with here. And so after you write this list on a couple, I'm gonna bring another video. We're gonna talk about these things and how you can remedy and how you can learn from and how you can be successful in this year. Because I believe success is a mindset. There's a lot of sermons, a lot of preaching going on that 2019 is gonna be the year that God does this and this and this. Do I believe that? Absolutely yes. I believe, man, God, He wants to sovereignly do something in a season He deems it, do it. Go ahead, God, do what you gotta do. But I believe that oftentimes we're confessing things that we're not willing to align into. We're asking God, I want a job, but you're not getting an education or pursuing a resume or having an entrepreneur. I can't even say that. How do you say that? How do you say that? That word right there. Is having that entrepreneurial type spirit mindset within you to grind and to drive. Maybe you've been sitting in your grandmama's basement eating chicharrones con Valentina and watching novelas waiting for life to happen to you. But we're realizing that it's not going to ding on your door and say, hey, here's $1 million, here's a lease, here's a home, here's a house, here's a car, and hey, let's do this thing together. It doesn't happen like that. There has to be a grind. So I believe this next coming year can totally revolutionize your life. But the fact of the matter is, you have to choose for that to happen in your life. All right? So cool me. Family, like, comment, subscribe. Let's set the standard. Let's set the standard for your new year. I'm gonna give you a behind the scenes the wake-up call that happened in my life for me to turn some things around in the next video, and why this list is so important. I'm asking you to write, so please don't forget to do that. So my heart for this channel is to be an oasis of hope in a desert of hopelessness, and I believe it's gonna be just that for you. So family, I'll see you next video. Bye.